I chose to stay. In March 2020, I worked as a nursing technician at a clinic in Trujillo. When came the announcement that struck the entire team, the first COVID-19 positive patient's case would arrive. I felt very nervous because it was a new disease and the hello staff weren't prepared to deal with that type of patients. I knew it meant entering unknown territory. I thought about quitting. I even had a moment where I almost left everything. My colleague who weren't on duty wrote me messages telling me to leave and not to take that type of patient because I was going to get infected, but I will carry within myself and chose to receive that patient. I asked for my PP and began to put it on. When I put on all the gloves, mask, gown, face shield, I looked in the mirror and truly looked like an astronaut. I stood there, all nervous, held my breath while I heard the ambulance approaching. I spent the last minutes preparing myself mentally, but life taught me a hard lesson. In the end, the patients didn't resist and died in the ambulance on the way to the clinic. I learned that sometimes carrots dance guarantee the result we expect, but I showed that when I chose this profession, it meant being present in the most difficult moments. Thank you.